On the Twitter tracker, we can make a list of Twitter or X accounts to follow and track in real time everything they post. We put a special focus on tweets that include the contract address and all the quick actions like quick buy, quick sell, and pre-filled amounts. How do you import an account? Just click on the groups icon, then add account. We can import accounts one by one, multiple, or import a CSV. Then enter the name of the account, pick the group to add it to, or create a group on the fly. We can click import account. As you can see, the account gets imported right away. Here we have the view of the various groups, and we can see which accounts were added. We can also delete them. We can add a group or see all the accounts across all the groups. We can also export the whole list by clicking export. Here we'll find the drop down with the different groups. Here we can search for individual usernames, and from the settings icon, access the settings. So we can change, for example, the buy amounts, turn on or off, pause on hover with a toggle on and off. As for quick trades, we'll have the contract address you can copy and the quick actions. By clicking these values, we'll make an instant buy transaction. Clicking the bloom icon, we'll get the quick panel with the wallets, the different amounts, and all the sections customizable, both buy and sell.